I believe that this is 6 weeks and 1 day since the burning session. This blister still has a little bit of stuff in it, believe it or not. Now, the reason why I'm filming is because this did this today. I didn't do that on purpose myself. So, I think what this means is it's time to just, peel this off and remove the rest of this stuff right here. It'll be down to some newer looking skin. I don't even like the looks of this here. Right there. In the middle. Right there. I don't even like the looks of that. I'm just feeling for, is there any wart pain there? I'm feeling, because this is one of the ways. Nope, I don't feel any. I don't feel any. It's been 6 weeks, so, and really I gotta say, 6 weeks and no wart pain. I feel like this is, in a practical, pragmatic way, this is longer effective treatment than you'll get paying hundreds of dollars at the doctor's office, because 6 weeks later, your feet won't be still healing from the damage like this, but my method, it still is. And I'm thinking this blister, as long as it's on there, the doctor, the MD says that draws the wart out, the blister.